Good morning to everyone. Myself N. Kalpana. I am from Sri GK Jain Higher Secondary School, Roypuram. Today, for the 12th standard, I am going to explain the topic is chemical kinetics. In last two videos, we saw about the rate law, rate constant, order, molecularity, difference between the order molecularity, and then pseudo-order reactions, etc. Today, we are going to see the collusion theory. Collusion is nothing else. It is just like a bombardment. It has been one to other. It has been bombarding with one another. That is a collusion theory. Okay, how it has been collide. There is a three main thing when there is a reaction. If it is not just like that collide means it does not form a product. The position, the rate, how the speed it is, where it is. These are the things we have been seen. Now let's see the example. A2 plus B2 which gives 2AB. This is an example. So the rate which is always proportional to the collusion. When the colliding substance, if you are increasing the colliding substance, always the collusion rate is also being increased. That is directly it has been proportional. Let's consider rate which is directly proportional to the concentration of reactant A to B2. C rate means collusion rate. Collusion rate, here we have included the constant. In some other thing we have included K rate constant. Here for the collusion we have included the letter Z. So it is also been a constant. So for the collusion rate Z equal to A to B2. Then that means the collusion rate which is directly proportional to the concentration of A and B. How the reactant, if the number of molecules will have been increased. For example, if two balls you have thrown it, what happened? Only the two balls only they have been collide with each other. There is no option for that. If you have increasing the number of balls, if you have thrown 10 to 15 means there is a number of possibilities will be increased. Almost the collusion has also been in increase. That is the thing. The reactants, if the reactant molecule, that means the number of molecules increase means the collusion rate is also increased. First one, rate. So rate, how is the rate? Number of based on the number of molecules. Second one, for the effective collusion. Effective collusion means just like that, if it is a bombarding means it's not possible. Effective, how it is effectively collide. Rate which is directly proportional to F. The rate, the speed which is based on the effective collusion is also. So F based on the activation energy, the values I have given. E to the power of minus EA activated energy by RT. R gas constant, T temperature. EA equal to, EA equal to 100 kilojoule means T equal to temperature 300. Let's substitute the value. We know R it is a gas constant. The value is 8.314. If we have substituted, we getting that 4 into 10 to the power of minus 18. That means if it is having a cross of 18 zeros are there means only the 4 molecule will be in a very effective collusion. So second thing is an effective collusion. And third one is a position. Always rate based on the position. Let's see here. AA reacted with BB, it is formed as, if it is sidewise, if it is formed means it will form AB molecule and AB molecule. So it should be form a nice A plus B which gives AB. The product will be formed. If it in the same way AA reacted with BB means how it is formed? Just it is AA form, BB form. That means there is no product will be formed. That means if it is a effective collision, it is an ineffective collision. It should be inefficient one. So the rate proportional to P means position of that. P, we have to combine all the values. Rate which is directly proportional to the rate constant and the effective collision F and the position P. P into F into reactants. That means the rate constant. So P into, we know the value of effective collision F. Substituted here E to the power of minus EA by RT into wherever the reactant rate is equal to A to B2. Whereas where K rate constant. So rate directly proportional, if you have removed the rate constant equal to P into F values of F into Z, because in that, like, consider the reactant molecules will be 1 means it should be only the rate constant, collusion constant will be there. So if you consider as a collusion theory, if the molecules have been collided means 3 important things is important. First one, it based on the rate. and it based on the effective collision, then it based on the position, then only it give the products for that. And the next topic is Arrhenius equation. So according to the last we saw the collision theory, isn't it? So the K, which is directly the rate, which is directly proportional to the position, rate, and effective collisions and all. Okay. So K, which is directly proportional to the to the power of minus EA by RT. EA means activation energy, R gas constant, and T temperature. And where K equal to A into A means the frequency, the total number of frequency which has for the Arrhenius equation, A into e to the power of same. If you are seeing taking the log on both the sides, let us consider ln. Ln means log power of log base of e. If it is only log means base of 10, log base. The conversion of ln into log means you have to multiply with 2.303. Okay. So we have considered this equation for the Arrhenius equation, taking ln on the both sides. So ln k equal to ln of A into e to the power of minus EA by RT. So individually we have taken ln k equal to ln A plus ln e to the power of minus EA by RT. So next one, ln k equal to ln A plus log of EA power minus RT. So in this place ln k equal to ln A, where we have to segregate the temperature itself. So log, in place of ln, it has been converted into log. So you have been ln converted into log means log of E. Ln is nothing else. In this thing we have a log base of E. So ln k equal to ln A plus, in this place of ln you have converted log E base of E. Again we have e to the power of minus EART. So e get cancelled. So only ln k equal to ln of A. Only this value only having. So because here it is these E for the activation energy of these E, and this E because ln get converted of log base E. Okay. So cancel. So minus of EA by R. We have to segregate the temperatures alone. Okay. And next one. Next. Ln A equal to, we have segregated 1 by T. So, for the condition, in place of K, it is K1. And in place of T, it is T1. And next one, next equation also K2 and T2. For the two different equation, for the two different condition, we have write it as. First initial one, ln K1 equal to ln A minus of EA by R 1 by T1. It is at T1. And for the next condition, ln K2 equal to ln A minus of EA by R 1 by T2. The same condition, it has been given for the two different condition. Ln K1 for the initial, next step K2. Okay. Then divided by ln of K1 and K2. So ln of K2 divided by K1 equal to minus of EA by R 1 by T1 minus of EA by R 1 by T2. Okay. And next one we have keep the common values minus EA by R. Okay. So ln K2 by K1 equal to minus of EA by R 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. So obviously what we have to do, cross multiplication. So in place of here it is T1, in place of here T2. T2 minus T1 and multiple together. Have you all understand? 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. First thing you have to cross multiply. So T1 here it is T2. So T2 minus T1, again it has been multiplied together. So T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. And next, so I told here itself, ln it is converted into log means you have to multiply with the 2.303. So 2.303 log of K2 by K1 equal to the same here EA by R T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. And next one, again the 2.303 here it is multiplied. So let's say it just goes on the after the equal to, it should be divided. So EA by 2.303 or the same value T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. And next one, for the graphical representation, ln of K equal to, here we have given no, here ln of K equal to ln of A minus, this is the normal way. If we have to in the graphical presentation means the same it has been taken, ln K equal to ln A minus EA by R 1 by T. We know that the slope formula is y equal to mx plus c. mx plus c. So we have to alter this equation according to the slope formula. So ln k equal to Ea minus of Ea by r 1 by t into ln a. So let's see here, it should be y, it should be mx and c. So then you have to plot the graphical presentation. Here y axis it should be correlated with the temperature. So the temperature it has been plotted in the y axis, sorry x axis. Here ln k, the concentration should be plotted in the y axis. Here it should be a minus symbol. If it is a minus symbol means always having a down slope. So you have getting a straight line with a down slope. So in this chemical kinetics, all the three parts, the important questions I told that here it is also be one of the important question, Arrhenius equation, collusion theory, the problems based on the first order, zero order as well as the pseudo order, and next one difference between rate law and rate constant, order and molecularity. Thank you.